Welcome to our Saturday morning drive video of our 2012 Ford Mustang Shelby Supersnake.
2012 was a special year for the Supersnakes because it was the only time they used the body of a GT500 instead of a GT Premium. Its own economy around it. Shelby took and put their thumbprint on it, and it still has that American just muscle feel. It is a fun car to be in.
Yeah, it really is.
It's a fun car to be in. And as we just saw, it still turns heads.
Oh yeah.
Guys on the side of the road doing some work. Everyone has to take a little mini break and look over and take a look at this thing.
Stay out in front of traffic for sure. It's comfortable. I mean, in fifth gear's really a usable gear. It's got plenty of pickup.
It's got some
but it's
power.
not.
You don't